Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in sports gear. Today, we are excited to share with you the top 5 best running shoes of 2023. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right pair of shoes for your next run. But don't worry, we've done the research and testing for you, and we are confident that these shoes will take your running game to the next level. Number 5. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Nike React Infinity Run Flyknit 2. This shoe is a fan favorite for its lightweight and breathable design, making it perfect for those hot summer runs. The shoe's foam technology provides great cushioning and support, reducing the risk of injury and allowing for a comfortable and enjoyable run. Number 4. Next up, we have the Hoka One One Clifton 8. This shoe is known for its superior cushioning and responsiveness, making it a great choice for long-distance runners. The shoe's unique design provides a smooth and stable ride, reducing the impact on your joints and allowing you to go the distance. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Adidas Ultra Boost 23. This shoe is a staple in the running world, and for good reason. The shoe's Boost technology provides exceptional cushioning and energy return, giving you that extra push to go further and faster. The shoe's sleek and stylish design is just the cherry on top. Number 2. Moving on to our runner-up, we have the Brooks Ghost 16. This shoe is a go-to for runners who value comfort and durability. The shoe's DNA Loft technology provides a soft and plush feel, while the shoe's durable outsole ensures long-lasting performance. The shoe's versatility also makes it a great choice for both training and racing. Number 1. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the best running shoe of 2023 is the New Balance Fresh Foam 1080 V12. This shoe has it all, from its exceptional cushioning and energy return to its sleek and stylish design. The shoe's Fresh Foam X midsole provides a soft and responsive feel, while the shoe's breathable mesh upper ensures maximum comfort and support. This shoe truly takes your running game to the next level. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best running shoes of 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, these shoes are sure to provide you with the comfort, support, and performance you need to achieve your running goals.